Welcome to the in front of me nothing phone, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some icons or remove some of them and just to change their positions, you should click here on this edit icon. And now you'll see here this down section with invisible icons. If you want to add them to your notification panel, you should hold the icon and drag it here to this up section by this way. If you want to turn it off, or just to remove some icons from here, just hold it and drag it to this down section by this way. As you can see, that's so simple to do. And if you want to change the positions of the icons here, that's also not a problem. Just hold it and drag it. And to save the changes, just click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.